supervisor now. Don't answer any questions.
He has to.
No, he doesn't. By law, he does not have
By
to.
law, he has to. I'm investigating
Sergeant,
crash.
here's the law. Did I bribe you? Did I misrepresent myself? Did I use intimidation or force or threats of force to obstruct? Who the hell do you think you are?
I'm law enforcement agent. You have to obey my orders.
Hey everybody, just a guy having fun here. So I want to do a series of videos where we go over these citizen survival cards I've been talking about and what's in them. So for me, this isn't about selling a bunch of merch, it's about sharing the knowledge. So if you want to screenshot print this, you want to go to noid4u.com and throw me $5, print them out yourself, get them laminated, do whatever you want with them, make copies, pass them out to your friends and family. I don't care how you get the information, as long as you get the information. So what we're going to go over here is Arizona Revised Statute 28-1595. Failure to stop or provide driver's license or evidence of identity. So this is your legal responsibilities when getting pulled over in Arizona. Simple ABCs, folks. Knowledge is power, right? So Section A, and this applies to the driver, and it is abbreviated. So if you want the full statute, go to the Google, go to the interwebs, DuckDuckGo, wherever, and do a search on Arizona Revised Statute 28-1595. But this has got the meat of it, and it explains your obligations. The operator of a motor vehicle who knowingly fails or refuses to bring the operator's vehicle to a stop is guilty of a Class 2 misdemeanor. All right, folks, you see the cherries and berries? Pull your damn car over. Don't make it worse. Section B, this is your second obligation as the operator of a motor vehicle when getting pulled over in the state of Arizona. The operator of a motor vehicle who fails or refuses to exhibit the operator's driver's license, or a driver who is not licensed and who fails or refuses to provide evidence of the driver's identity upon request is guilty of a Class 2 misdemeanor. All right, so what is this telling you? All right, so you have to exhibit. You do not have to surrender. So once you hand the officer your information, your driver's license, you've actually exceeded your legal obligation. Your legal obligation is to exhibit the operator's driver's license. All right, let's move on to Section C. This is the fun one I like, right? This is the one that most police officers in Arizona will not know properly. So let's go over that. A person other than the driver of a motor vehicle who fails or refuses to provide evidence of the person's identity to a peace officer or duly authorized agent of a traffic enforcement agency on request. Here's the kicker. When such officer or agent has reasonable cause to believe the person has committed a violation of Title 28. Okay, so here's what that tells us. Reasonable cause, let's just discuss that for a minute. That is an absurdly low bar. So if an officer suspects or has reasonable cause to believe you've committed a violation of Title 28, which governs the traffic laws in Arizona, he can get your identity. All right, but through proper dialogue with the officer, you should be able to determine if he believes that you've committed a violation of Title 28. So the passenger in Arizona has no obligation to identify to an officer unless the officer has reasonable cause, and I'm going to stress, it's an absurdly low bar. You thought reasonable suspicion was low, call an attorney, ask them, to believe the person has committed a violation of Title 28. So there you have it, folks. Arizona Revised Statute 28-1595. Knowledge is power, people. Thanks for watching. Have a good day and be good humans. Thanks for watching No ID for You. If you'd like to support the channel, please go visit the merch store at www.noid4u for your suspicious person apparel and Arizona Citizen Survival Cards, with the top 10 laws police use to limit, suspend, or terminate your constitutional rights.